Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create a tree map. So firstly, I have imported all the necessary libraries that I want, then a data frame which is on the GitHub. So let's create a tree map. Okay. So figure is equals to px, that is plotly.express, and we want a tree map. So we'll let tree map, right? So after this, we will define the data. So data is df, so df comma and then the path. So path is equals to list. So in this list we'll provide in the way which we want to divide the data, right? So firstly we will divide the data on continent and then country, right? So let's add world over this continent, right? So let's add world. So px dot constant, as there is no world defined in this, so we are describing world, right? So px dot constant, that will create world, and then comes the continent, right? And after the continent we need country. So yeah, this is complete and the path is completed. Now we need to define on what we need to describe all this. So we need to describe all this on values of population, right? So let's go with population or GDP per capita. You can go with any. Let's go with population. This is POP, that's population, right? So values, which is equals to pop. After this we will define the color on what define the color. So color will describe what which quantity. So color will be defining the life expectancy. So color will define this, and we will export this. So pyo dot plot and then fig. Plotly dot express is not equal to constant. This is capital C. Yeah. So this is called tree map. Okay. So as you created the world is constant. You cannot minimize or close it. Then comes Asia, which is a continent. Asia, Africa, America, Europe. So these are all the top 5 continents in the data. 4 continents. So as you can go into Asia, right? So let's go into Asia. So as you can see, this is Asia, and we have this all size of this country depending on the population, and the color depends on the life expense. So China has the highest population, as you can see. Then comes India, then comes Indonesia, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Japan, and so on, right? So you can even go inside more. You can write something about the data over here. Then comes let's go back to the continent, right? So in this you can see, let's go to America. So in Americas, there's United States as the highest population, then comes the Brazil, then comes Mexico, and so on, right? So this is what a tree map looks like.